Morning to everyone. Isang Bayan is joining the January 31 rally here because we believe there are unconstitutional provisions in the 2025 budget. First, the Constitution says that education should be given the highest budgetary allocation. Ang bilang namin, the education is not being given the highest allocation. Sabi ng Malacanang, highest raw, dahil sinama nila yung budget ng TESDA. Ang TESDA naman, ang tinuturo nila, gardening, facial, pedicure, manicure, automotive body repair, driving, hindi naman formal education or ladderized education yan. Ang budget ng TESDA is about 20 billion. Pag tinanggal mo yon, talaga mas malaki yung budget ng DPWH. Yung DPWH naman, dinagdagan ng Congress ng about 189 billion in insertions. Ang ginawa ng Presidente, kunyari, vinito niya several items sa DPWH amounting to 26 billion lang. Hindi niya ginalaw yung insertion ng Congress of 189 billion. So yung budget for flood control, for